Your Peugeot is equipped with a system that allows you to view your vehicle's surrounding on the touchscreen, thanks to cameras located at the front and rear. The rear view is automatically displayed when reverse gear is engaged, the engine is running, and the car is stationary. Once you activate rear view, the field of vision in front of your vehicle is automatically displayed if a gear is engaged, the engine is running, and the vehicle's speed is below 16 km per hour. You can deactivate the touchscreen's camera view by touching the cross in the top left-hand corner of the touchscreen. The screen is separated into 4 zones, with 2 lateral menus, a contextual view, and a view above the vehicle in its surrounding environment. Different views are available for the rear or the front. The automatic zoom view is displayed when you approach an obstacle at less than 30 centimeters whilst maneuvering. The obstacle is represented by the red line. This view is only available for automatic display. The standard view is displayed on the screen in front or rear camera. The gauge lines in blue at the back and yellow at the front represent the width of your vehicle with its wing mirrors extended. They are oriented according to the position of the steering wheel. The red line represents a distance of 30 centimeters from the front or back bumper. The 2 blue lines at the back and the yellow lines at the front represent a distance of 1 meter and 2 meters respectively. This view is available for automatic display or manual display when selected in the left-hand lateral menu. The rear or front panoramic views allow you to anticipate the arrival of cars, pedestrians, or cyclists, whilst leaving a parking space. This view is only available by selection in the left sidebar menu. Depending on the context, the system chooses the best view to display, standard view, or automatic zoom view. At any time during the maneuver, the type of view can be changed. In the lateral menu, you can choose the following functions: volume control for the acoustic signal, screen brightness, screen contrast,